Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily and follow the on-chain we're going to put for you today. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. As you see, guys, here, that the daily candle here it's finished. Is it that one here? And the market it's staying flat here as also we accepted before. Here we tell you we got here that inside bar, that one, and no, I repeat it a lot those days, but you need to be patient. I know that, but you need to be patient. That how is it trading or investing? It's not just came and enter. You need to wait in the right time and the right moment. You know, like the tiger or lion or the jag or whatever. When they go in to hunt, and what they doing? They started waiting till the right time. So it's the same to you now. Make yourself, you are a jag or a tiger. It's waiting the right moment to catch in your reward. That's what I'm telling you here. Also, we're still waiting the break to happen either up here, we're going to enter long, or the break to happen down here, and also we're going to enter short. Remember that very well. If we haven't broken above here that level, there is no entry. If we haven't broken down here, there is no entry short. Remember those things. And in the last video I show you, we got here a channel. I show you even that channel in the last video. The channel is it that one here. I show it to you in the last video. I told you is it like that. And down here you came to that peak here, that one. And you're drawing a line like that. Look at that channel, how clear it is now. You see me where I started from here to here and where we are now. That 3 times down. Is it twice? 1, 2 here. For me personally, I think there is a correction going to come because we got a very clear divergence here in the top. That's why I'm thinking there is a correction going to come. Because over here we got a very clear divergence. I don't want to show you indicators and those things, but you need to be careful. So for long-term traders or long-term investors, wait in that correction to happen. From there is going to be the last chance for those people. They haven't entered with us from here, from 15k, because people they been with us the day of FTX collapse here, the day here, us we enter long from here exactly, and people they been with me, they remember that from here exactly now, and even here we enter us, people they been with me, they remember that, and we enter from here now. Us we are still waiting that correction to happen, then us we're going to enter long again. Me, I'm talking about long-term investment here. Everything is too clear. Let me show you now the on-chain we bring for you today. So let's go in there. The first on-chain we got is that one about the Bitcoin funding rate. That one here, it's showing to us as you see it here, where we are here at that level. Bitcoin and the market, it's very flat here. As you see it, yes, it's spike here. That's been a big well they bought here at that level here. But now also we are in a flat market. Even in the volume of the Bitcoin, it's showing to you that. And Bitcoin here in the chart, it's showing the same thing. So tell now what should we do? Nothing. We still waiting. We need to wait in a correction to happen like how it happened here, when those people they been pushing down a lot. You remember the day of FTX here, and also we enter from down here because that's what us we waiting. I'm talking here about long-term investors. Now also we are here at that level. What should we do? We need to wait. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. And even the volume here, it's showing to you that it's very flat. The market is flat because it's always at this time, month 3 and month 4. The market is always staying flat till month 4. Then we're going to see a big jump. At those days, the market is going to stay flat, or try to avoid people they try to mislead you those days. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other one. I'm still here about the on-chain. Let's go in there. The other one we got is that one. His name Bitcoin release price. As you see it, that one is very simple. When it's become green, dark green, like here, like here, like here, it's indicating is the time of buying. And down here, look with me here. Let me zoom it a little bit for picture to get more clear to you. Down here, as you see it here, look with me here, what you see. At that level here, you see that indicator here. When it's become down, then the red one is going to be a high chance for you to buy. As you see it even here, as you see it even here, those ones the bottoms. And even now what it's showing to you, it's being down and now it's breaking above, so that is indicating the bottom. And me, I prefer every time when that one is down here, down in that red line me I'm talking about, I'm buying. So as you see it now, pause with just breaking above. That's why me I told you waiting the correction how it happened here. If people they being with us, they remember that when it's breaking here, when it happened that the market fall down below that red one, also we buy again. I think picture is too clear here. The third one, let me show it to you. The third one is that one. That one is very simple. When the market has become red like this, you need to buy as you see it. And the sell, it started when the market has become blue like this. Even if you zoom it, let's zoom it together to see it. As you see it here. Now us, we are here at the red. That means us, we are in the bottom, guys. That way me, I told you, try to DCA slowly by slowly. You don't know what's going to happen in the coming days. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here is only for swing trading, by the way. Yes, you, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash that like button, writing down a comment, support us. You know that channel with how to it can growing up. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So what else we said here in the last videos? We said we got here a level or a accumulation level like that. Very clear here channel. I told you that level here is the level, we call it accumulation level or the place of the damn money. That place here, big whales, they use it to sell the Bitcoin. They buy from 15k and those levels. I'm talking here about just swing trading. They want retail traders, those ones, they haven't entered from 15k to enter with them to buy here and them. They will dump in the money down. What should you do now? Because why me are writing is a trap, avoid this trap for the title of the video, because I saw some people, they came, they put in like this and they put in like this and they said we got here a very clear symmetric triangle. Should you follow that symmetric triangle? No, my friend, there is no one can follow that symmetric triangle unless if you want to enter from here to here. Let me show you. Unless if you want to enter from that level here where we are to here to 26k, that's another story. But for you to enter for swing trading to hold for 1 month or 2 weeks, depending on the market what it's going to do, no, it's need the market to fall down to break for us that level here. That one here, if it doesn't get broke, there is no entry. That level is at 26,600. That's the level you need to be focused about. Now the market is showing here. Also, we are very flat. I told you even that one. I showed it to you before. I told you the market tried to give you us here like a bottleneck here, but we shouldn't follow that one because that one is indicating there is a huge more goose going to come. But also we are prepared for everything. I told you also we got here that channel like that. You draw it like that. Look at it. Very clear channel here. And you need to follow it because if you been following that symmetric triangle before here, it's getting broke here, but it doesn't fall down. It's staying here sideways. That way, me I told you, you follow that channel to get broke above here or to get broke down here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Yes, you're going to enter late, but you're going to enter in the safe place. Remember those things. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Our indicator, as you see it, we staying here at that level and there is no power to break that level here in the middle. That level, by the way, is the level between bears and bulls here. That means both of them, they are equal now. So should you buy at that level? No. Should you sell? No, because no one winning yet. All of them, they still equal now. For the bulls, look at it. Bulls, they got here a downtrend. And the downtrend, every time we used to touch it, we used to fall down. But for the bears, even them, you can draw here a symmetric triangle like that. Should you follow that one? No, because there is no power to push down to the bear market. That means no one wants to sell. People, they still holding their crypto and they don't want to sell their Bitcoin. So should you sell your Bitcoin? No. Also, we're following the correction and we're going to buy again. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, I show you we got here a divergence, very clear divergence here. I show it to you in the last videos. Now I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks, also been showing you that divergence. Told you enter short? No, my friend, there is no entry short. Unless if it's breaking here and here. And I told you about that symmetric triangle we got here. Don't fall down in that trap. Don't fall down in that trap. The market is very flat. Look at it. The market is very flat, and I show you in yesterday video in the options. By the way, if you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. I told you the market it hasn't breaking above, and the market it will not breaking down. The market is going to stay all the week here sideways. So why should you enter short or long? Unless if we're breaking down here, yes, you can enter short. Unless if we're breaking above here, we will enter long. At this moment, there is nothing. We just need to wait in. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. In the last video, what else we said here? We came here, we do it like that. And we came here, we do it like that. Where did it get broke? Get broke here. You can find all that in the last video here. Me, I'm talking here about just scalping. It went up till here. Look at it. Till that level here. Hold up here. You protect yourself at that level here. Yes, me, I told you that take profit, it needs to be here. So those people, they enter from that break of that triangle here at that level. Take profit of them here. Stop lose of them here. They're still holding the position till now. I'm going to give you where to close it. Exactly where to close it. Look with me here. You came to that peak, that one here and that one here. And you came down here and you're doing like that. Stop lose of you is it down here. But if the market break here, that level here, close the long. The long you enter it from here, you're going to go out without losing. And if it's breaking down here, enter a short. Take profit of you, it needs to be down here. Stop lose, you can put it here. But if the market breaking above here, you still have holding a long position. For people they haven't entered long, they can enter a long position from here. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, also we are here at the oversold area. So technically we need to look in for buy. Should we enter long now? If we break in that one here. Look with me how I'm going to draw it. That one here. If that one came and breaking above here, yes, you can enter long. For people they been with us, they enter from here. When that one touching here, the overbought area will dive, you take some of the profit here. But let's assume you don't take profit, you still holding at the 28,500. You wait, and if it's getting broke here, at that level here, you take some of the profit. Everything is too clear, guys? And here, look at it. If it came and breaking down here, you close the long and you open a short. Stop loss, I told you to put it here at that level. Everything is too clear, guys? That's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.